Wow, this is really awkward. But hey guys, so we're going to do a simple harmonic motion with tidal waves because there's like this really cool way you can just do stuff, you know? Anyway, so I have Ma'am's textbook. I will return, don't worry, don't worry. And there's quite a few questions, so I'll read it out loud. I'll also put an image of it. And the question is 21. The rise and fall in sea levels due to tides can be modeled by simple harmonic motion. On a certain day, a channel is 10 meters deep at 9 a.m. when it is low tide, and 16 meters deep at 4 p.m. when it is high tide. If a ship needs 12 meters of water to sail down a channel safely, at what times correct to the nearest meter between 9 a.m. and 9 p.m. can the ship pass through? So the first thing we want to do is look at the information we're given. So this is a tide question, so we know that we will be using this formula. So whenever you're given a tide question, this is what you should do. And then you can draw like a little thingy, you know, you feel? Don't feel? Well, yeah. And then you can draw these a lot neater than what I'm doing. And because it's a cos wave, it will be like... okay, yeah, just pretend that's touching. Okay, so we're given that at low tide it is 10 meters deep at 9 a.m. So we can put that here, 9 a.m. And then when it is high tide, it is 16 meters deep at 4 p.m. So we can put that there. So we have some basic information there. So now what are we going to do? Let's draw another line. This is going to show us like the amplitude. So we have 10 and 16. What is the middle number? That is 13. So already we have our first value. B equals 13. Now A is the amplitude, which we worked out, which is 3. And we also need to find N. So P equals 2 pi on N. And the period is, so the period would be, so 7 times 2, because all the, you know, the wave. So 7 times 2, which is 14. No, I'm thinking of other things in my head. That's why, okay, I am a bit slow, sorry. So N equals then pi on 7. So now we have a complete formula, which is this. Okay, so now we can, to find this value, we sub in, we know when t equals 0, x equals 10. So we simply do this. 10 equals 13 plus 13 cos minus 1. Okay, so plus that, which means that x equals 13 minus 3 cos 7t. Because the rules, like with when it's a plus pi, then this will become negative. So what we can do is instead get rid of the pi and make that negative, and then we simply solve for when we're trying to find, with the question saying if the ship it needs 10 meters of water, which means when x equals 12. So I'll just wipe this quickly. Okay, so 12 equals 13 minus 13 plus. Okay, cool. I'm sorry about these interesting noises that I guess we're all a bit stressed. So I'm simply just solving it now, and I'll just do this just in case. Make sure radian mode. For every tied question, radian mode. Okay? Okay, so you have that. So t equals, oh, and you have another time as well, which is 5.52. So this is simply like the quadrants for cos, and then you also have 11. This is rough, like don't follow, like if you know what you know what to do. And to do this you can use to actually get these times the bubble thing. The bubble thing is helpful. I think this one's 11 hours and 1 minute. So then what the question is asking for time, so don't just give them, oh, this is how many hours between. No. You have to give time. So 2 hours and 45 minutes from the original time, which is 9 a.m, which would be 11 a.m. 45. 11:45. Well, two. And then this one would be, we're using the same thing, using it from 9 o'clock. So that would be your answer. Well, you would have to show working out. But yeah, that's it. Sorry for my shocking explanation. Heads up, I don't know anything, so if everything I'm saying is wrong, it might be wrong. Wait, that doesn't make sense. But anyway, so I hope this helps.